the ultimate bedside MVP. Vaunn Electric Overbed Table. The hands-free height hero. Sick of flimsy, outdated overbed tables that tremble like a Jenga tower? Enter the Vaunn Medical Electric Overbed Table, a rock-solid, electric-powered beast built to serve breakfast in bed, support your late-night Netflix binge, or turn your room into a command center. The 2.0 power lift mechanism lets you raise and lower the table without lifting a finger, just push a button. Unlike those squeaky, unreliable models, Vaunn's ultra-quiet motor glides between 27.5 inches and 42 inches with effortless precision, making it the Rolls-Royce of bedside tables. Let's talk stability, because nothing's more frustrating than a table that rolls away mid-meal. Unlike those flimsy models with tiny, non-locking wheels, this one boasts heavy-duty, safety-locking casters and an H-style base for unshakable stability. The reinforced alloy steel frame means no bending, no tilting, just rock-solid performance that supports up to 40 pounds. Plus, the laminated, scratch-resistant tabletop ensures spills and stains wipe away in seconds. Whether you're working, eating, or reading, this table stays put, where you want it, when you want it. Hate assembling furniture? We got you. With Vaunn's simple 5-step setup, you'll be up and running in no time. Just attach the column, secure the base, pop on the wheels, and boom, ready to roll. No flimsy plastic levers here. Our new electronic push panel replaces those frustrating break-prone mechanisms, ensuring a smooth, stress-free experience every single time. And if you ever need help? Our USA-based customer support is just a call away, because tech should make life easier, not harder. Why spend hundreds on overpriced hospital-style tables when you can have a superior, multifunctional overbed table at a fraction of the cost? Whether you're recovering from an injury, caring for a loved one, or just love working from bed, this electric-powered marvel saves you time, energy, and the frustration of dealing with unstable, outdated designs. Forget about struggling with stubborn height levers, just press a button and watch it adjust effortlessly to your perfect height. More comfort, less hassle, and zero regrets. Why settle for less when you can have the best? Vaunn is all about quality, integrity, and durability, and we design our products with one goal: making your life easier. Unlike other brands that cut corners, we rigorously test every product to exceed safety standards, because we don't just make them for customers, we make them for our own families. So go ahead, upgrade your space with the most reliable overbed table on the market. One push of a button and you'll never go back. Ready for the ultimate bedside upgrade? Click Add to Cart now, because your comfort deserves the best.